Hello everyone, and this might actually be my first YouTube video back. I know, why am I showing this? Well, actually I'm doing some house renovation, so I thought this would be like the perfect time to share tips that I find online for renovating houses or just cleaning and trying to get your house to look better in general. So right now I'm actually trying to find a way to cover chipboard where the cat's litter doesn't dust everything. If anybody has any ideas on that, I'm totally open to that. So there's Little Snowman. Anyway, so my first project where I was going to share some information is this dirty glass top. And I did a lot of research. So we're just going to try some things. I'm not going to show myself scrubbing this because I don't know how long that will take. But one thing that it seems like the best way to begin is you want to have a micro fiber cloth, I think is what it's called, and then just kind of start with some dish liquid on top and then let some water run over it and let it sit. And I'm going to have to do both sides and then I'll come back and tell you guys what the next step is. I don't know if you guys can tell, but after the soap, it's actually gotten a lot more clear. There's a few spots on there. So this next step that we're going to try is just some Windex, and we're going to let it kind of sit on here just like we did the soap, decent amount, and see what happens. Again, with a microcloth, I don't know, it actually, the microcloth is working pretty well with this. I've never tried that before. So we'll see what happens after we add some Windex to both sides. So this is the aftermath. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, and probably not, but there are some cracks in the glass. They're on the top or bottom piece. It's not like all the way through, but that just tells me that this thing's been through some stuff since I moved here, because pretty sure that originally there was nothing on this piece of glass, and I'm not really sure what was put on this table with such force that it cracked it, because I'm pretty sure that that was not there. I just hope I didn't make, you know, those by accidentally dropping them. I did accidentally drop this a little bit while I was cleaning it. But anyway, so I also found through research that there is sometimes this filmy residue that pops up on the glass, which I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. So anything that you've missed from cleaning wise, or if you're having problem removing a spot of some kind, I'm going to show you guys what to do. I don't really have that much going on. Mine got cleaned up pretty well. But anyways, so you'll take some baking soda and just kind of put it around wherever you want. And the main point with this is you're going to make yourself a vinegar soap water mixture. Usually I put the vinegar about 1/4 from the bottom, and then 1 drop or 2 drops of the liquid soap, and then just add water and shake it. So what you want to do is try to make a paste. And you don't want to put too much where you can't do that. I mean, you can always add some baking soda if you get too much liquid. But it probably wouldn't hurt to let the vinegar solution and the water kind of sit. If you see, it's kind of like foaming up a little bit, and that's what you want it to do. And that baking soda is going to cause it to kind of bubble. But I would probably let that sit there on, especially if you have a certain spot. If you have a spot that you're having problems cleaning, make sure you put a lot of the baking soda on that spot, or not a lot, but like at least that much, and then pour the solution over it a little bit and let it sit on the spot. After that, you still use the microfiber towel, and you just rub that mixture across your top, and it's supposed to make it much more shinier, like an original piece of glass. Number 2. So, as you guys know, these little, well, maybe you don't know, but these little things are very, very helpful. I don't really know what you call them, but they're little plastic pieces that go on pretty much any type of tube, and it presses all of the contents down as you're using it. Very, very helpful with toothpastes and anything of that nature. If you are like me and you like to save wherever you possibly can, I'm going to show you a little tip or trick with this that not only makes this easier to come off, but also allows you to get that extra little bit in the tube that most people just throw away. Really simple, really easy. Ta-da! And then you can get that looks so weird. Anyways, you can get the rest of it out of the tube and then toss. And actually, if you think about it, that's a decent amount of toothpaste, or a decent amount of, in this case, this is some kind of like acne exfoliator or cleaner or something. But anyways, very simple. And I think you can get a package of like 3 of these for $1 or something. So I highly recommend getting these. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but there doesn't look like it. There's some scratches and cracks in the grass. Well, guess who's gonna be trying to come back to the YouTube scene? It's been a while since I made a video. Probably like, it looked like maybe even 2 years, but I had to go and I had to do it. My birthday is coming up on Tuesday, and I was just like, you know what? We haven't opened up cards in forever. Let's do it. Just flipping love this. So another thing that I don't know where is my turntable. So hopefully I'll find that. The other tripod. Oh, I love this, man. I'm so glad that I got this. Okay, so it must. Ho really likes Blue Mew.